This is the Hisense PX3-Pro Laser Cinema, and Hisense says it can bring a true theater experience into your living room without needing a giant TV. But here's the thing. Big promises are easy to make. The real question is, can a projector actually replace a premium OLED or mini LED television? After looking at expert testing and real-world performance, I found that the PX3 Pro gets surprisingly close. It delivers a massive image, incredible brightness, and some serious gaming features. But it's not all perfect, and there are a few compromises you should know about before spending your hard-earned cash. Hisense PX3 Pro Laser Cinema product overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? The Hisense PX3 Pro is a premium 4K ultra-short-throw laser projector released in late 2024, designed for people who want a true cinematic experience at home without mounting a projector across the room. Its biggest selling point is simple: a huge screen from a device that sits just inches away from your wall. It can produce images from around 80 inches, all the way up to a gigantic 150 inches. Inside, it uses Hisense's TriChroma RGB laser light engine, delivering up to 3,000 ANSI lumens of brightness, wide color coverage, and support for advanced HDR formats, including Dolby Vision and HDR10+. Hisense PX3 Pro Laser Cinema Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform in the real world? Honestly, this is where the PX3 Pro really starts to impress. The first thing you notice is the sheer scale. Watching a movie on a 120-inch or 150-inch screen feels dramatically different compared to a traditional TV. The sense of immersion during action movies, sports events, and even casual YouTube viewing is on another level. Picture quality is one of the strongest parts of this projector. Reviews from experts like What Hi-Fi praised its impressive brightness, rich colors, and excellent HDR performance. The RGB laser system produces vibrant, accurate colors that make animated movies and nature documentaries especially stunning. Black levels are also surprisingly good for a projector, with strong contrast and impressive shadow detail. However, it still cannot completely match the perfect black levels of a high-end OLED TV. In a dark room, you may occasionally notice that very deep blacks appear slightly gray. For daytime viewing, the 3,000 lumen brightness helps significantly. Pair it with a proper ambient light rejecting screen, and the image remains enjoyable, even with some room lighting. Gamers also have plenty to love. The PX3 Pro supports 4K at 120 Hz and even 240 Hz at 1080p, with extremely low input lag. Features and technology. Let's talk about a few key features that make the PX3 Pro stand out. First up is the TriChroma RGB laser technology. Unlike traditional lamp projectors, it uses separate red, green, and blue lasers. The benefit is a brighter image, longer lifespan, and a wider color range that brings movies to life with more realistic shades. Next is Dolby Vision and HDR10+ support. These formats optimize brightness and contrast scene by scene, which means movies and shows can look more detailed and cinematic rather than overly bright or washed out. Another major highlight is the gaming performance. The inclusion of HDMI 2.1 with high refresh rate support means next-generation consoles and gaming PCs can take full advantage of smooth frame rates and low latency. You also get Google TV built in, giving you access to streaming services, voice controls through Google Assistant, and a simple, familiar interface. Design and build. Aesthetically, Hisense did a great job with the PX3 Pro. It has a modern, minimalist design with a premium-looking finish that fits nicely into most living rooms. Since it's an ultra-short-throw projector, setup is also much simpler than traditional projectors. You place it on a media console close to the wall instead of running cables across the entire room. The rear panel includes useful connections like HDMI 2.1 ports, USB ports, Ethernet, and audio outputs, making it easy to connect consoles, streaming devices, and external audio equipment. It's a large piece of hardware though, so you'll need a dedicated space for it. Pros: excellent brightness that works well beyond completely dark rooms. Outstanding gaming support with 4K 120 Hz, 1080p 240 Hz, and low input lag. Dolby Vision, HDR10+, Google TV, and a premium all-in-one experience. Cons: you'll get the best results only with a good ALR projection screen. The premium price may be difficult to justify for casual viewers. Final verdict. So, who is this for, and is it worth the money? The Hisense PX3-Pro is for people who dream of having a massive home theater experience without installing a traditional projector setup. If you're a movie enthusiast, sports fanatic, or gamer who wants a 100-inch plus display with excellent image quality, this is genuinely one of the most impressive ultra-short throw projectors you can buy. What really separates it from many competitors is its combination of brightness, color accuracy, advanced HDR support, and serious gaming capability. It's not just a movie machine, it's a versatile entertainment hub,